humid for this time of year, and still right now between 55 and 60 as a band of rain and embedded storms starts making its way through our viewing area. Since Saturday, we've had 2.34 inches at level field, but still adding on to that. And across our viewing area where you see the yellow and orange indicates areas also over the 2-inch mark. So it's varied between 1.5 inches to 2. And I think before everything's said and done, we'll be in that 2 to 3 inch range that was projected since last Friday to kind of cover that whole 3-day period. So right now, areas like Dunlap have already seen 2.5 inches of rain, with the rain still coming down. This is going to be the heaviest for the evening as it makes its way through. It's an embedded line of storms and strong wind gusts. Gusts around 40, 50 miles an hour. That poses a danger with saturated ground. Some of those gusts may bring down a tree or so. Got to be aware of that. That's why they have these special weather statements out, as it's just below severe levels, but still poses a threat. Along with that, wind-driven downpours and rain. So from just west of Dunlap near Tracy City all the way down to western parts of Marion County, now just east of South Pittsburgh and right along the Georgia-Alabama border, it's making its way farther off to the east. Should approach downtown right around 6:30, just after that. So here's an estimated timeline. Make its way toward Ottawa between 6:30 and 7, so around Cleveland, nearing 7 o'clock. So our highest populated areas right now in the next hour experiencing the downpours of rain and those strong wind gusts. So be careful traveling if you have to. Just kind of maybe stay inside in a safe place so this line passes on by. Farther south, same thing. Dade, Walker, Catoosa. Notice the bay shading there. You got that special weather statement because of the strong wind gusts, heavy rain coming up and over Lookout, making its way through Trenton, Chickamauga, Lafayette, down towards Somerville over the next hour. That extends farther down to the south from Fort Payne into areas like Somerville, down around Rome, again over the next hour, and across North Georgia, say near Dalton, after 7 o'clock, and then pushing farther east. So the threat of this is mainly early evening. You'll have occasional showers coming back, nothing too heavy overnight, but where colder air wraps back around the system. In the Memphis metro area, it's changing over to some periods of snow showers, and that could occur locally along our Plateau counties, not just limited to Cumberland County, but also in Bledsoe and Grundy and Marion, the higher terrain there. May see snow showers overnight, but only Cumberland County is under that winter weather advisory. Watch for slippery spots in areas overnight. Also the eastern half of Monroe County into the higher terrain there along the Tennessee-North Carolina border. Notice the temperature difference by about 20 degrees from Memphis to us. We're going to cool down to the 30s by overnight tonight. So the heaviest downpours over the next couple of hours. By 9 o'clock, not too heavy, not finished with the rain yet. Overnight, we start to cool down. And again, all the way down to areas like, say, Franklin and Marion County to the higher terrain, then farther east towards Crossville. Watch for periods of snow showers and flurries, at least for a few hours. So watch for slick spots in those areas. A little bit better chance of that towards Cumberland County, but it ends rather quickly overnight. And by morning, temperatures down to the 30s, but along the plateau near 32. So again, maybe a little icy and slushy in some of those areas. Everybody else mainly drying out. And tomorrow, it's going to have sunshine back, a bit breezy, a bit cooler, more normal for this time of year, with highs low to mid 50s. Valentine's Day Wednesday looks even better with temperatures around 60. So really after today, we dry out for a while. A breezy, cooler day tomorrow with 30s early, low 50s for the afternoon. Looking good for Valentine's Day and Thursday. Partly sunny, low 60s are back. In fact, temperatures will still be near 60 Friday, but a cooler than average weekend ahead. There'll be a few light showers early Saturday, and then a bit colder with those morning lows pushing back into the 20s by Sunday.
David, thank you. Staying alert and aware during severe weather can be life-saving, and we want to help you stay safe with our Weather Radio programming event. Next Thursday, February 22nd, our Storm Track 19 will be at 2 Elders Ace Hardware locations, one in East Ridge, another in Walden. If you buy a new weather radio, Elders Ace will provide the batteries for you, and we'll help you program those radios or the one you may already have. For every radio you buy, $5 will go to the Forgotten Child Fund. Now to a quick check of conditions across the country. Here's the National Desk with today's Weather Window.
Weather Window, presented by the